What's going on?
Nothing serious. You know the matter at hand now. I decided to go stay with my parents for the meantime. At least let me keep them company.
But we didn't discuss this.
Discuss? Come on now, babe. Must we discuss everything? We mustn't discuss everything. I don't even have strength. Please, you want me to carry megaphone and give official announcement? I'm going to stay with my parents. You know the matter at hand now. Babe, please. Let me just go. You will not help your wife, oh. You will not help your wife. After now, you said, don't help me again. Don't worry, leave it. Everything you want to make me show out of this. Eh?
Oh, Francis, what's up? You sounded urgent on the phone. What of your wife? Where is she? She's gone. I don't understand. What do you mean? She's gone. Gone where?
Amanda has been giving me stress lately. Since her brother's incident, she has changed. This afternoon she packed up everything and she says she's moving to her parents' house. That they need her more.
I'm sorry about that, but I don't think she meant any harm.
That is the problem. She didn't even discuss anything with me. She didn't even care about how I feel.
Okay. Let's put it this way. You know her family is going through a lot this period, so maybe she just needs your support.
Support? You and I know that I am ready to support my wife to any length. All I'm asking for is for she to just carry me along. Bro, my wife is drifting away from me day by day.
Father, let's just be hopeful that the police will come out with something positive soon.
I don't know what is going on. I am not a politician. Neither have I offended anyone. That somebody will hide my son just to punish me. Why?
Whatever happens, I know the God I serve will not allow me to see shame.
Amen. Amen. Yes, Mommy, I know that God will not forsake us, okay? Father, we need to be positive. We need to be hopeful that soon the police, they will come out to something positive. I believe that so much in my spirit.
I hope so. You've been staying here late hours since this incident happened. Hope your husband is not raising eyebrows.
Nothing like that, Father. He will be okay.
Are you sure?
Father, he will be fine. He's an adult. He will be fine.
Are you sure he's comfortable with this?
Yes, Father, he is.
Okay. Right. I have to retire to my bed now. So,
okay.
Is it a lonely night, a lonely day? It is hard for me to choose. I can give you all the grace and all the space, but it'll be hard for me to breathe. Oh, what a lonely life. When can I hold you in my arms and tell you how much I need you? When can I look into your eyes? When the sky is so bright, it's raining down on me. But the moon is so bright, but I can't see. I give you all the love, it's lonely trust I see. Not in you, I give you all the world, the only seed I need is in you. What you give me gets me hurting. Feelings get me sickening. Memories of joy not in my head. It's all hearts.
My friends, where have you been? Where have you been? I've been looking for you. I've been looking for you. Where have you been? I've been looking all over for you. Are you okay? Are you okay? Son, talk to me now. I've been looking for you. Where have you been? Please talk to me. Talk to me. I've been looking all over for you. Son? Son? Son! Son!
Hello. Are you okay? What's going on?
Your Majesty, I saw him. I saw my son. He was in distress. And I tried to help him, but he disappeared.
My love, you have stressed yourself so much on this. You need to do less of thinking.
Your Majesty, I am resting. I know what I saw. I saw him. I saw him.
Okay, I've heard you. Can you go to bed now? You need some rest.
Your Majesty, it appears you don't even understand me. I think my son is in trouble. Because I saw him.
My queen, listen. I don't want you to stress yourself much on this. You've been doing a whole lot of thinking lately. I've heard you. Can you sleep now?
I saw my son. I saw him.
It's okay. Just lie down.
I saw him.
You need some rest.
Madam, does that dream really have meaning?
You see, I don't even know why His Majesty is shutting me down, shutting me up. I know what I saw. He probably thinks it's my imagination.
Mother, in all honesty, I don't know what to call this. I don't know what to make out of what you said to me. Maybe my brother is in distress.
Maybe we should start saying it in a positive way. Probably we'll still see him, we'll still find him.
Of course, Mother, you're right. You have a point. Let's just be positive and hopeful that he's fine wherever he is. And he will come back to us soon.
Amen. My son will surely come back. What is it? Are you okay?
Yes, Mother.
Are you sure?
Just Just normal waist pain.
Wait. Amanda, have you been attending your antenatals and your checkups?
Mother, I am fine. I am good. Nothing is wrong with me. I'm here.
Are you sure this
Mother,
girl? Are you sure?
Mother, I'm fine. Enough of the talks. You need to go upstairs and relax. Alright? Please, no more dreams. No more bad dreams. Mother, you need to go and relax.
You also need to go and rest. Get up. Let's go upstairs together.
Mother, when I say I'm fine, believe me.
I said get up. Let's go upstairs together.
Why happened, Margaret?
You want to, once I leave, you start TikToking. You start collecting a lion and the elephant. Let's go upstairs and rest. Okay, let me have your phone.
Mother, I am fine.
This is what we found at the scene, but no major incident was reported.
This is my son.
Officers, how did you find his ID card?
This is not only what we found. We also found passports and other documents. But we are still investigating to know what really happened at the scene.
Please, officers, I beg you, whatever it will take you, find my son. Please.
Officers, I'm running out of patience. Find my son! Do all you can to find him! If you cannot do this job, then I'll be forced to call the police commissioner myself.
Be rest assured, Your Majesty, that we are trying our best. Yes. Thank you, Your Majesty, for your cooperation throughout.
I'm tired of stories! Find my son! Find my son!
My queen. We're going to try our best.
Find my son. Please, can you?
We'll try. We'll have to take our leave right now. Alright, let's go.
Are you sure he was not murdered or kidnapped?
It is not a case of kidnap. If not, his abductors would have called by now. For us to have carelessly picked his ID card on the road, I think there's every possibility that it is an accident.
But there was no accident recorded on the scene for over 2 weeks now.
I'm really confused. Though some accidents are not major, but we will find out in the case of this investigation.
Is that right? Let's see how it goes. Let's go.
It's okay.
Let's go.
This is really frustrating. I don't know why the police are not taking this investigation serious.
I don't know. I don't know. Maybe, just maybe, something has happened to my son. They found his ID card, but no detail about whatever happened at the scene.
Something is really fishy. But my queen, have you tried media propaganda?
Of course. We have done that over and over again. But up till now, no one has been able to come up with any useful information about my son's disappearance. Not even one person.
I don't know why I'm not just giving into this your resolution of something might have happened to him. I strongly believe that nothing happened to him. He's somewhere. Maybe we haven't just found him.
I'm just hoping and praying that one day I will wake up to all of this as a nightmare. Beatrice, do you think my son will be found? Are you sure he will come back to me?
Yes, my queen, he will come back to you. Trust me. He will.
Are you sure, Beatrice? Are you sure?
Yes.
You know, every day I walk into his room, I smell his clothes. I lie down on his bed, expecting him to sit close to me and tell me, Mom, are you good? Mom, are you okay? When will my son come back to me?
Soon.
Beatrice.
Soon.
When? When, Beatrice?
Soon. Don't be too hard.
When?
Have you had something to eat?
My son got lost with my appetite.
Trust me, you. Well, I need a thorough cleaning, both outside and inside. Madam, dust everywhere. Let it be clean.
When we finish, this your house go fine pass you.
Really?
Now we be the best for this job. Anything we be cleaning. I na zacha na mpocha ka ina eme.
Yes, so now we get to
Get to work.
Thank you, ma. Oh, thank you. No problem. So, oh yeah, you go that side. Go that side. Go kitchen side now. You here. Sweep and well. We name we go every battery. Make me go this side for the staircase. Go start my own. Wait, you can carry. You go carry their broom. Come. Now use this one for staircase. Auntie, I need access. Thank you, ma'am. So now woman like me build this house. She no get to head though. Now only one head like my own she gets. No, see house up and down. Can't they even call me? Clean it very well. Ay, poverty me go mad. But I go make them. You see as I did like this, you see that money? Someday I go make them. Hire my own house help. Begin command them. Clean that place very well. I go make money. Makachi. Hello.
Please, before you go downstairs, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Who are you? I mean, what is your name?
Why do you ask?
I just want to know.
Well, that is not the reason why I am here. I'm here to work.
Okay.
Thank you. Madam, please, you have to excuse me. Let me get something outside.
I'm very sure I know him. This is him. Could this be the reason he does not want to reveal his identity? But what will make him to condescend so low to this? It's the one. It's the one.
Officer, what is the latest development?
Your Majesty, there is no any development from our own end. But the earlier information you gave us will be useful to us.
Officer, do you expect me to take you serious? Can you hear yourself talk? So my son's case now has two ends. From your own end and my own end. From your end, you said you have no development. Now you're working on the information I gave you. Officer, you should get to work. You're a detective. Find my son!
Your Majesty, we will need the address so we can go there. Is there any possibility that your son is a twin, Your Majesty?
My son is not a twin.
You never can be too sure. Or probably it could be his replica.
Officer, your story is not clear here at all. That is why I am urging you to get to work. Get to work! You're a detective and you're well paid to do this job. Find my son!
The best thing to do is to contact the agents for the address. I need to know where they stay before I make any move. I need to be sure that he's the one. Are you sure this is the right thing to do? Or I should just forget about everything? No. He's my friend's son. I have to do something. I know what I saw. He's the one.
Beatrice, you know you haven't seen the prince in a very long time. Are you sure he is the one you saw?
The last time I traveled to UK, I saw him. I was so excited to see me. But yesterday, I can't just explain the situation I saw him. And he refused to talk to me.
Well, if you are sure that the person you saw is my son, can you take me to where he is?
The journey is a far one. It's outskirts of the town.
If the place is motorable, why not?
It is motorable.
Then what are we talking about? Take me to where he is.
Like
Just give me a second, let me get my bag.
Is it a lonely night, a lonely day? It is hard for me to choose. I can give you all the grace and all the space, but it'll be hard for me to breathe. Oh, what a lonely life. When can I hold you in my arms and tell you how much I need you?
Hello?
When can I look into your eyes?
Is anybody home? Hello?
So bright, it's raining.
Who is here?
I don't see you.
Are you sure you saw my son here?
My queen, are you doubting me? The agent that got them for me showed me this place.
How can my son, the prince of my kingdom, stoop as low as stay in this kind of environment? No, I don't believe you, Beatrice. It's not possible.
You have to believe me. Let us just wait a little.
No way.
Better still come back tomorrow.
Oh, no.
Oh, see him. I'm not
I
lying.
am not comfortable with this environment. Please, can we leave?
Fine.
Let's get out, please.
Down on me, but the moon is so bright, but I can't see. I give you all the love, it's lonely trust I see, not in you. I give you all the world, the only seed I need is in you. What you give me gets me hurt.
How can my son be staying in a squalor? How is it possible that my son can condescend so low to live in a place like that?
Honestly, that's exactly what I'm confused about. No. He can't be the one. That's not possible.
Mother, we need to go there. We need to go and see things for ourselves. We need to be there. Let's see if it's true or not.
But why will he be alive and choose to punish us this way? Why in God's name would we want to do that?
Mother, we are saying the same thing. We need to go see things for ourselves. We don't have answers to these questions. Let's go and see if Auntie Beatrice is saying the truth or not. Or maybe it's a mere imagination. I don't know. Or maybe somebody that looks like him.
This whole thing is tiring and frustrating. Just tired.
Francis, you still have not answered my question. I said I saw a girl in that house. Who is she? What's she doing in my house?
Why are you flexing your muzzle like if you've been doing your duty as a wife?
Also, because I have not been doing my duties as a wife, that is why you should cheat on me? You don't even cheat with somebody that has class. Look at who you're cheating on me with.
Amanda, you know what? I don't have strength for your tantrums.
Okay, I don't finish. I don't clean everywhere, cook the food, everything. I don't put the food for freezer.
Thank you so much.
No problem, Oga.
I'll pay you handsomely.
Oga, now my money I want, no be assurance.
What is going on here? Am I invisible? No, you cannot. Come. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Are you okay? How can you just come to somebody's house just like that? Okay, Francis, I'm talking to you. You're still giving her your phone to put account number. You're disrespecting me in front of this thing. Francis, you're disrespecting me. Hey, do you want me to smash that phone? You want me to smash that phone so that you will go there and tell them that I've started again, Abi?
Don't put my account number.
Francis,
done.
Hey, Oga, you even add something. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Anytime when you need somebody will go cook clean, I did, sir.
Get out from my house! Carry your stupid face and leave this place! Get out!
Ndo?
Miserable miscreant that don't have what they will do. Looking for people's husband to collect, and you! Shall you see the way you're disrespecting me in front of this girl? You go out there, you carry anything you see on the street and you bring them into my house!
When you're done shouting like a dog, go back to the palace.
Francis, if not for one thing, I will tell you that you're a very stupid man. You're Francis! Open this door! Francis!
Play now. Not to do this kind of thing, not the form when you go for myself. But yeah, if I say Mama, show me your potato. If you put 2, if you put 3, if you put no, but not put your 2 on. Yeah, move the go.
Okay.
Oh yeah, no. Mama. You the one now. Mama, show me your potato. Cashew.
Oh my God! Son!
Who's the son?
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here? Who are you?
We missed you!
You've missed me.
We've been looking for you. Where have you been? What are you doing here?
You've been looking for me. As what? What is she talking about?
I told you. There's so much look alike. You don't seem to know us.
There's so much look.
What's in the happen for you and which people?
That time go say don't come, I beg, come. I don't know what all these people they do. They say they know lost but fine. They say this is a cousin and Mama be. Mama.
Who is lost and found?
Now you be lost but fine.
He is my son.
I am not
and
a son.
She's my friend.
Stop saying that. I'm not a son.
And you know say now you I know. Now you I can't work for. Waiting they happen. Waiting they happen.
He's my friend's son. He has been missing for a while now. The other day, 3 of you came cleaning for me. I became so confused. I had to contact an agent that gave me this address.
Madam.
Who is he to you? Is he your brother? How did you know him?
Mama, this story where you they find it long go. This story long.
Alright, sweetheart, we are ready to listen to you. Okay? I am ready. We are ready. Yes. Okay?
What are you talking about?
Lost but fine. Yeah, don't go inside.
Will you stop calling me that name?
Come inside. Now your second name because you lost. We can't find you. Come inside.
Please, deal with this.
Son?
Where's your son? Stop calling me your son.
Lost but fine. Go the phone.
Madam, can I sit? Sit. Please, my dear. Do you need a drink?
Just start anyway.
Do you need a drink? I can get you a drink.
What is wrong with you?
Father, it is my husband. It is Francis. That man wants to drive me crazy. I don't know what I have done to him. He seems to have lost respect and value for me.
I've told you severally to go back to your husband. In as much as I know that you're here to keep us company. But you should also realize that you have a family of your own now.
Father, no, I disagree with you on this one. Francis should be the one that should be reasonable. He's my husband, for crying out loud. He should be here and understand that my family is going through a phase at this period. The best I could do is to just stay with my parents and then comfort them. Is it too hard to comprehend? Why is he acting like a child?
My dear, you have done well. But I still maintain that your husband needs you more. You should go back to your husband.
Father, Francis is not breastfeeding. I'm not babysitting him. You should... Mother.
What happened?
Mother, what is it? Why is your face like this? What happened? Auntie
What?
Beatrice. I am finished. Auntie Beatrice, what is it? What?
We met Prince Martins today, but he did not recognize any of us.
I don't understand. You met my brother. Even if he's not able to recognize you, you should be able to recognize Mother. What is going on? I don't understand.
We met him living with one lady and her younger sister. She told us that she saw Prince on the road helpless and she decided to help him. But the unfortunate thing there is that the doctor diagnosed him of amnesia.
What?
What?
Amnesia? So what you are trying to say is that my mother confirmed that her son is alive, my brother is alive. That is a good start. I mean, that is good news.
Yes. He is alive, but cannot recognize any of us.
Mother, please. You have to take it easy. It is not enough reason for you to start crying. Fine. My brother does not recognize anybody. It's okay. We can actually go to the lady, talk to her, bring my brother back to the palace. Maybe when he gets to this palace, he will be able to remember something. Father, you're not saying anything. Say something.
Listen, Princess. We need to trade with caution. The lady in particular did not even believe us. She needs an evidence for her to know that we know who Prince Martins is.
Fine. We'll give her evidence. There's a lot of evidence to prove it. Father.
It's okay. Take a moment inside first. Let her go.
Good afternoon.
Oh, well done. What's happened?
The king sent me to give you the daughter of the prince.
Yes, one name. Take your leave. Or leave Oro Wachigi.
You can take your leave.
Make we go see. Now. We go take 7 eggs. Take cook indomie.
No go finish them. No go finish them.
Carry your son.
I know if you carry this one. Carry am, no?
Oh yeah. Bia. Vute jide name kazombi. Come carry yam. I say come carry yam. In one or ever and she tell you on no good day like this, man or brother. You no go chop am if you no go. Bia vute joy son.
Your Majesty, I advise we tread with caution in order to achieve the desired results.
Mother, this is not the time to trade with caution. Yes, we need to trade with caution, but we don't need to take things easy like that. You're talking about human life here. My brother's life is at stake. I don't know how you're comfortable leaving him in the hands of that woman. What if she's a bad person? What if she's a kidnapper or something?
Oh no. Far from it. I went there and I know what I saw. That whole thing is far from kidnapping. It's not a kidnapping case.
Okay, in other words, that means we need to report this matter to the police.
I think she has a point there.
Well,
so what we have to do is to go immediately. So,
you mean to the place?
Exactly. That's what we're saying here. That's what we're talking about here. Isn't it?
Yes, that's
so
what we're saying.
let's go right away and make official entry.
Go to where?
We need to make an official entry concerning this matter.
I'm here for my son.
Hold on. Don't I know you? I don't know, but this face looks familiar.
Ah.
I feel like I've seen her somewhere before. Mother, I remember. You remember that same person I was telling you that wanted to snatch my husband away from me?
Okay.
She's the one. She's the one that wants to take my husband away from me. Because tell me when cleaning services is not related to cooking services.
Tolo. Don't just come show your dance step for you. Don't come show your dance step for you. You hear me?
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up. Close that thing on your face. I'm talking, you're talking. What will you do?
Yeah,
tell me.
It's okay,
sweetie, it's okay.
You see this quarrel where you dey quarrel, it no concern me. This quarrel no just concern me. Now my work I dey do. I come on house, come clean finish. Now your husband come ask me whether I go fit cook, say him go pay me. Me waiting again I dey do. I can't say yes, he can't pay me money, I can't cook for now. You know enjoy the food. Make I tell you, Makachi, if your husband no pay me, I no go cook food, because you no follow for my work. As I tell like this, now survival like the anything will go give me money will be genuine something. I snatch am, now you still get them. Eh?
Let me even ask you guys. Why are you people here? Why are you dressed in royalty, yet come here to look for trouble?
Son, we're your
I am
family.
not your son.
We're your parents, your family.
Yes.
Please, princess, please. Take it easy with them. Please. Calm down.
You go see. That's the one that they talk, you know they understand them. As a day like this, you know now, you don't remember anybody. Now we be family, they call us family.
It is a lie. Look at me very well. I'm your sister. Can't you remember me? This is mom, this is dad. We're your family. You can't remember anything.
I'm your father.
Sweetheart, please, we need to take him home for a proper treatment.
The problem is say no go agree. Follow.
Why?
Oh yeah, take him now because I know say you no go follow. You no go agree.
Why does it?
Father, can you speak? Just talk. Say something so that he can remember. Just say something. I say you
no go agree. Follow.
Oh, what is wrong with this girl?
Amnesia. Doctor talk say you get I'm waiting. Amnesia. Say that amnesia be amnesia. The shatin. Now you make him. You don't forget everything. Everything way before you get that accident, you don't forget them. Only us you know.
Yes.
So not be waiting you go the quarrel for.
Again,
Are you comfortable with that? Huh? You're comfortable with that?
Igwe, I don't know what I go do. No be me cut the amnesia.
Amnesia.
Father, we need to take him home. Can we just take him home? Let's take him home. He needs a proper medical attention.
We don't carry and go proper medical place.
Yes.
Doctor can't do everything. When I make it even day okay like this, but can't say for him to remember everything where he forget. Say he needs special prayer.
Yes.
But I can pray.
Father, can we take him?
Okay, young lady, I appreciate all your effort. We shall be back for him. Huh? We'll be back. Let's go.
But we cannot leave him in the hands of this girl. We cannot. He's not safe.
It's okay.
Now we be in family.
Huh? Please take care of him.
Okay, Lolo. Only Lolo get understanding.
Take care.
Those people will come, you know them.
You remember anything?
You remember something?
See, make I tell you. You see that memory when you want to come back. Wipe them come out, oh. Because as you be like this now, my brother you be, oh. Just clean them. If you don't want to clean, I'll help you clean them.
What are we going to do?
Your Majesty, something tells me that lady is hiding something. Yes. See, you can't just trust a stranger like that. She needs to be arrested. She needs to give us a detailed report of what happened. Where did she pick my son from? And what condition she met him? These are vital information we need to get from her.
I think you have a point here.
That's good.
First thing tomorrow morning, she will be arrested.
That's more like it, my husband. You know, human beings are terrible. They are cruel and wicked.
I think we have to pick it up from there.
That's it.
You see, I'm sick and tired of the whole drama. I want my wife back.
Francis, you need to take it easy with that drink. I can see you're tipsy already.
You see this? It gives me peace. Since my wife does not care about me.
His Majesty has 2 children. Put yourself in his shoes. Do you know how it feels to lose one of them without a trace? Come on. This is definitely going to be a tough time for that family.
And me as well. You see, Prince, Martin is my in-law. But I want my wife to understand that my shoulder is big enough for her to cry on. instead of she keeping me in the dark. Am I demanding for much?
No, you're not.
Thank you.
But you see, everyone reacts to pain differently. Patience, Francis. Patience.
Patient, you say? You of all people not have been patient enough.
Then keep being patient. It doesn't end. And more importantly, you need to stop that drink. If not, you won't be able to drive yourself home.
And I'll find somewhere to crash.
Better still, I'll take you home.
Hey, honey.
Amanda, what exactly is the color of your problem? Because I need to know why you're not prioritizing your safety.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
The doctor just called me to inform me you've not been coming for your checkup. Do you want to harm the baby?
Honey, I'm sorry. Really, I'm sorry. It's not intentional. You know, since my brother's disappearance, my head is full. It's been from one explanation to another explanation. From the police is not even helping matters. These people, they are not doing their job very well. I'm sorry. It escaped my mind. Please.
I understand. And I also sympathize with your family. But your brother will not forgive you if he finds out you harm your child yourself. Please, take your antenatal serious.
Baby, there's no problem. Fine. I'll go before the week runs out, okay? I'll take my antenatal serious, I promise you. But then please come and drop me at the palace, eh? I need to rush. I need to go. Baby, I'm too.
Hey, baby. What is it?
Park this car. It's taking you heaven and earth to park the car. Francis, why are you not talking to me? Since we left the hospital, you've not been talking to your wife. What is the problem?
Tell me, what do you want me to say? You've decided not to take care of yourself or even think of how I feel. You've been so engrossed on this your family issue. What do you want me to say exactly?
Francis, do you know you're selfish? I'm asking you, I'm talking to you, we're having a husband and wife conversation here. Do you know that you're very selfish? No, just in case you don't know, let me tell you now. You are very, very, in short, you're wicked. You are self-centered. It is only yourself that you know. Why are you like this? If reverse was the case, I would have taken care of you. I would stand by you as your wife. But no, it is my turn. You will not do the same for me. What kind of a man are you? Eh? Is this how you treat your pregnant wife? I'm carrying your child for crying out loud, Francis. You are so heartless. But my God will judge you. My God will definitely judge you.
Are you done? Please, can I take you to the police?
Have you seen it? This is what I am always talking about. I am talking to my husband and my husband is shoving me off. No, have you seen it? All the time you make it look like I am the problem. But you're actually the problem. You're stressing me to talk on top of my voice in my condition. Francis, you're not a good person. In short, you're mean. You're more than mean. Take me to my father's house because I know you want to kill me, but you will not kill me. I refuse to die. In this condition, I will not die. Drive the car. They did not tell me that this is how this thing. Move the car now. Move the car now. You don't want to move again. No problem. goodness. I didn't know she has not been going for her checkups.
It's not your fault, ma. She chose that for herself.
Oh, I'm sorry, Francis. I know this whole thing have taken a different turn on you. Hey, please, bear with her, okay? Everything will be fine.
Thank you, ma. I'll be on my way now.
Oh, really? Alright, son. Please, take good care of yourself.
And her too, please.
Alright, I will. Bye. Are you okay?
Me, I'm better. I'm better. Why is my husband angry? I don't understand Francis, oh. All the time he's always angry. He's always angry. I don't know why he's angry. I don't know why my husband has refused to be reasonable. You not see that he stepped on me.
Hey, you don't need any of this in this your very delicate condition. Okay? Take it easy.
Mother, there is nothing wrong with me. There is nothing wrong with me. I am perfectly okay. It is Francis that something is wrong with. He is bitter. He is angry. He is annoying. He is everything negative. What is his problem?
You don't have to blame him. You mean a lot to him. And so also his baby. You can't deliberately want to endanger your life.
Hey! Shay, people have seen her. Mother, even you. Do not refer to my child as his child. This is my child. Francis does not even ask what the temperature of this child is like. Francis will not ask if my baby is angry or if my baby is happy. Francis will not ask if the baby wants zobo or if the baby wants anything. All the time he's always angry. He is a very selfish person. Mother, even you too. Even you. You just said now that I deliberately want to harm my baby. How will you say I deliberately want to harm my baby? Why is everybody against me? Why is everybody against me? My enemy is working against me. Very soon my father will say it. My father will be against me. It's not fair now. It's not fair.
Now that's enough. Are you saying that this child is not Francis' child? Are you carrying a bastard?
Yes, welcome. Welcome to my life. Please guys, share this live. Alright, share this live. If you are not tapped, double tap on your screen, please. Like and comment. Share. People are not sharing now. People are not, please now. Where are my gifters? My gifters are not here. I've been talking since morning. Not the saliva in my mouth is dried up. Now, don't you see I've been drinking water? I've drunk 1 gallon of water. Where are my gifters? Even if you don't want to gift me now, please people to gift my baby. Gift my baby so that I will tell my baby that my baby has online uncles and aunties. Hey! Universe! Thank you very much. Thank you. When I give birth to this my baby, I will tell my baby that my baby has online gifters. Hello.
What is the problem? You want to thunder this whole house with your voice? I'm going to take this phone.
Alright guys, I'm
seizing this phone.
Dad, I was live now.
Have you taken your medications?
I'm done for today. I will continue tomorrow.
That is not the answer to my question. Have you taken your medicine?
Mother, I said that I have taken. I'm done for today. Tomorrow I will continue.
Henceforth, I am going to put you on check.
Why? Mother, I'm not enough to take care of myself. Why? Why will you put? I'm not a baby now.
Indeed. Just like you landed yourself in the hospital. Isn't it? You landed in your hospital in the name of taking care of yourself? What is all these things you're doing?
Mother, is it because of that small thing that happened? There's no problem. I've heard you. My medicine. I'll be taking my medicine.
And I'm going to seize this phone.
Mother, you want to seize my baby drug? If you seize my baby drug, you want that means I will be in the hospital for 2 months. So.
The same BP drug you take every day, you sit in front of your phone, yet you fainted. What nonsense is this? Now get up and go upstairs and rest.
Ma?
What did I do? I don't know what I be now. What did I do? You going job is going to do that.
When we get to the station, you know. Let's go.
Wait. Na police una be.
Yes.
Where una arrest warrant? If una wan arrest me, where say una dress like bankers, una come here come dey carry me. I no like this thing o. I no like am.
Drop me down or I'll bet you.
Young lady, we are trying to make things easy for you. You better make things easy for yourself. Help us make things easy.
Come on, come on, let's go.
Oga, see, Oga,
You can't just don't make all the time.
I just want this thing.
Don't let
This
him
thing
have
una dey do, na dey
Stop this.
I this abeg. I know. Speak to me.
Get it. Can you just stop? Come on, can you just talk to me? Talk to me fast. Come on.
We took our time in interviewing her and we are convinced that she's innocent.
Officers, you know I've never had faith in you. I don't believe your narrations.
And like we said before, Your Majesty, she said she found a little money in his pocket and that is what she used for his hospital treatment.
Today na just bad day for us. Upon say we work well for that woman, she no wan pay us better money. Clean everywhere, clean even poultry join. That woman dey heartless.
See, she not the heartless. Now you call Sam.
Wetin I do?
You don't know what you do. I tell you make you buy soap. You say no, you don't want buy soap.
So because say we no carry soap go, we use that soap. Now make she comot 2,000 naira from her money.
Yes, now. Okay, you want me? She just pay you 2K for waiting. I tell you this thing. You know they hear me.
That woman now very wicked person. Nothing where anybody can tell me. Upon all the money where she get though. Now that na human being that.
You like say na human being no. See, this kind of person, we need to just search him. Collect the money where they in pocket. Not the city hearing for a year.
Ada!
In a yauka,
Ada!
Sister!
You wear earring join you.
You should say you get money. For that side where you come get money, boy, you come out for you.
Wait, me will help.
Look at Pam. I don't understand you. You won't put us for trouble. You know, for big sister, you know nothing I'm smart for you. See this thing what you want to do, you go put us for trouble.
How? When to help person become trouble? See, make we help him.
Help who?
Make we help him.
Help this person. Oh, me and you. We don't feel help him. Now what we go do now to go search him. Search him. Collect the things where they body. Go.
Ada, now you dey talk this thing, you don't get human sympathy.
I don't show him, I show him since. You see the sympathy, I don't show him. Since it's a book, search him, take clothes, but they don't catch you. Take, give me. Search him, and you go search him. I think I'm not going to do these things. He kill this guy, I'm not going to carry the money go. He said no, he won't save your life. Now you know they talk, you know they move, you never they shake anything. God, don't waste 3 million. Waste 3 million for this person body. Only way for a better life. See now you know they shake eye, never shake body. I don't trust this doctor. Hope say you no go finish that big money for the sickness so. Doctor, I agree to. Oh, what you take my
Young lady, what are you doing?
Afana. Now my no party this our party that our church member. What did they do?
He'll be okay, oh?
Okay.
It's alright, he'll be okay.
So if they come out this TV that she
No, he will not die. Yes,
okay.
he'll be okay.
So what if he kill him?
No, I said he'll be fine.
Okay.
We'll take care of him.
Okay.
She'll be okay, oh?
Thank you, doctor. Bye-bye. I will make her just kill this guy or comot the drip. Make me and my sister just chop the money. But what if they can't catch me? No. They're not going to catch me. If I remove her now, they go catch me. And me and my sister go share the money. Oh, this guy, you die now. Die. You die. I beg, die.
What is the problem? What be the thing? Na me you carry face for like that. What be the thing why?
The money we will see for this boy pocket now will be dollar. Well, as we do exchange am now, it come with 3 million. Well, for you stay better our life. Now you carry go pay hospital bills. It don't make sense now.
You see life will go better. You go better. Abaka mumbo be go in your garaya silachi. So that thing we would do, live like that.
So you dey try tell me say na better thing we do. I be na waste money like this. So
you see this thing where you dey talk, I no blame you. Not my fault. After our elder sister leave me and you run, I no train you well, no give you proper home training. Forget say we dey do all this wayo thing, they carry people money. Anything where person life they involve for inside, my hand no dey. And your hand no go dey in Jesus' name.
So they try tell me say we dey do better thing.
Na better we do.
As we dey do better thing now, wetin we go chop this evening?
Today na waiting.
Wednesday.
Ekpere Wednesday midnight.
Sister, no dey do this kind of thing, no. No dey do this kind of thing, no clear.
You suppose they pray make that guy dey okay. Maybe all this one.
Make it die sef. Make we go retrieve. But I know say we go still meet people for road. We go still need our help. They go still appreciate us.
Lost boss one people, they give me money, na me we no gree collect.
Talk true.
They tell you the truth.
Yeah? Why you go dey fuck up like this now?
Make I tell you, no be everything what you do for people you go collect money for. I know say we dey do bad things to make money, but my own bad, it get boundary. Because you help somebody save in life, you go charge them, you be God. You know good, I want make my reward dey heaven.